If you're an organization, corporation, or a small business in Georgia, just hear me out for 1 minute. It may sound exaggerated, but yes, the technology that we are using today can be the reason for our extinction. Did you know that one single laptop releases 331 kilograms of carbon dioxide, which is equivalent with the carbon dioxide released when you drive 1,300 miles across the country. And when we throw them away the way they are and they end up in a landfill, it's like digging our own grave. Stop doing that and make a difference today. If you have any old electronics that you don't use anymore, instead of throwing them away, partner with us, B2B Exports. We are an ITAD company that not only we don't throw them away so it pollutes the earth, but we repurpose them and give them to somebody in need. And before we do that, we wipe all the data and make sure that all your confidential information and any information you have of them is completely destroyed. Now you can learn more about this at our website, which is www.b2bexportsllc.com. Help us save this planet. It's ours. It's our children's planet. And we are here to help.